So today I was looking at one interesting post on the Atlassian community, and this is not really a question. Basically, this is an announcement from the product manager of Jira software, and the title of the post is "Two Ways We Are Simplifying How to Create Projects in Jira." And by the way, this is not really a new announcement. It is, I mean, as you can see, the date is 7th of March, so it is almost a month old announcement. But I was actually waiting for something, and I'll show you what. So I was actually waiting for that to happen for almost a month. So first, let us read the post. So the post says that start your next project in Jira template library. So there are a few things that I was looking for. Number one, Jira template library. So what exactly is this Jira template library? I have absolutely no idea. I mean, it seems like it will be like a library of all the templates. And if you read on, if you read further in this particular post, it says that the next gen projects, next gen and classic projects are now renamed. So basically, next gen projects were basically individual projects where individuals creating those projects, they have control over the customization, and now those projects will be called as team managed. And of course, we also have classic projects, and they will be now known as company managed projects. So usually when I'm looking for these things, I always take a look at my cloud instance. So I have few of them, and this one is 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 older. So I was thinking of creating a new project, and when I create a new project, everything looks same to me. If I go to the change template, I still have this old view where we have the option to select different templates, but I don't really see any name. But I do have one more cloud instance which I set up recently for my own Jira service desk. And here, if I create a new project, I'm now presented with this different view, and that is what I was waiting for. So let us spend few minutes here, and let us take a look at how it is different, or maybe it will be different in coming months. It looks good, by the way. As comp I mean, I don't really have any problem with the old view, but I think this one has, on the left hand side, I can see different templates or maybe different categories. But let us go through this wizard. So it says a new way to create projects in Jira. We have simplified the way you create projects and blah blah blah. Let us click on get started. I don't really want to read each and every line. Okay, so the first template is project software development, and by the way, if you are on cloud and if you are trying to understand these different templates, I have covered each and every template in detail in like if you go to my Jira Cloud playlist, I have talked about I think all the templates. So when you talk about software development, you have Kanban, Scrum, and bug tracking, and obviously when you select a template, the workflows, the customizations will be different. And the good thing is that when you click on it, I'm also looking at it for the very first time. Here you can see each and everything. I guess it will tell you all the issue types, and it has some description as compared to the old view. If you click on, let us say, Scrum, you don't have a lot of options here. I mean, you can obviously you can create a project, and then you will come to know about it, and which we have done in the past. But I guess before you create a project, you can see here very clearly what all you can expect. Let us go back. Let us select Kanban, and I guess in Kanban you have the issue types, workflow, and you have some details about what Kanban is. I guess that is always great. And if we click on bug tracking, you have similar things, but it will of course tell you the issue types. Let us select service management. Let us take a look at it very quickly. So I'll go for IT service management because this is usually the one which is most complex, or it has all the configurations, possible things. And because you have so many workflows, so they have not really shown the diagram, but I guess you can see the service types and what all issue types you will have, like incident request type, problem request type, change request type, and these are of course mapped to service request. And let us continue looking at project management. I don't really want to spend too much time, but I want to like quickly go through these templates. It looks much better, definitely. So project management is fine, and I guess these templates are same. If I do remember these templates. They don't really have the actual workflow here, but I guess that is fine. And what else? What else do we have here? So if you go back to the Jira software, okay, so we have these categories which we have anyways on top. Okay, so personal. So I guess this is the I guess this is the next gen project. I'm not really sure. It doesn't really say anywhere here, but it says from simple to complex projects, these templates provide a simple way of coordinating multiple deadlines. And okay, whatever. Let us use the template. Let us see what all it can do. Okay, so now we have a similar view. Shall I name it as personal? Okay, personal. All right. Project management. Do we have project management template here? If I go back to the old view, yeah, we do have a project management. So it is probably the business one. But how do I create the next gen project? I am trying to figure out, maybe it is next gen. Let us create and let us figure out. I don't think it is. Let me just click on the issue types. Okay, so this is not next gen. Definitely not next gen. Let us click on the view, create project again. I'm trying to create next gen project. How can I create next gen project? I have no idea. So software development, one more time. Let us go to Scrum, maybe select project type. Okay, use template. Okay, now we have what I was looking for. So when you select I think the next gen project is basically within Scrum, or I guess Kanban as well. So now we have two options: team managed and company managed. So I guess team managed is what we are all familiar with. Anyone on your team can maintain blah 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 and so on. Select a team managed project, or select a company managed project. So I guess this will be. Let us do both. So team managed project and access level. Okay, so this is open, or maybe limited. Create. Let us see. We'll do the company one as well. Let us wait for it to finish. It is always good to yeah, this is definitely next gen. So this looks, I mean, you can go to issue types and you will have a familiar view. Yeah, definitely next gen. Let us go and do the same thing and try to create a company managed project. And if I go to Scrum, I guess, can we do it with Kanban as well? I guess so. Kanban, use a template. Yeah, we do have this with the Kanban. It is definitely, I think this is definitely clear. If I'm new to Jira and if I have no idea, if I have absolutely no idea about what next gen projects are, I think this is definitely helpful. I can read the information without leaving this interface. I don't have to go to any other documentation or go to community where people ask this question over and over again. So I think Atlassian has tried to make it simple. I think that is definitely a good move. Company managed. So I guess things will not be different apart from the name and the way you onboard new projects, I guess. So select a company managed project. Why this is already selected, or it is in like dark color? Maybe they want you to create this. Select a team managed project. But anyways, we want to create a company managed project and create. The weather is really strange today. It is snowing for half an hour, then it is sunshine, then again snowing. Bit weird, but uh, anyways. So this is definitely a standard classic project where you have Scrum, and I guess this is what I was looking for. I mean, when you look at this post, you might be tempted to see where exactly you can find company managed or team managed projects. And I was actually looking for this on my usual Jira cloud instance, where I of course do a lot of testing, but I do have this other one where I never really checked, but I checked it today, just in case. I guess Atlassian will probably roll out this new thing, this new company managed or team managed projects for everyone in the near future. And the good thing is that it is, in my opinion, this is definitely better way of creating projects, and it is much more clear. So that is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.